You know those kind of people जिनके आसपास में आप ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड ही नहीं कर पाते हो. When you're with them or around them, you're constantly thinking, why the hell do they exist? या फिर why do I exist around them? Yeah, we are here to talk about them. Let's go. Hi everyone, I am Nidhi. Welcome, and it's another good day to have a conversation, chit chat about something that matters to me and something that I hope matters to you because you've clicked on this video as well. So we are here to talk about all the things that you should avoid if you do not want to repel people. I'm sure disclaimer कि ये सारी qualities का कुछ भाग मुझ में भी होगा. So I'm definitely no preacher, not at all. मुझे guide मत बोलना कोई भी. Now why this video is important? It is important to avoid all these things in your daily life interactions with people, in your workplace, in your social life, and especially your family members because you don't want to come back to a home where people are repelled by you. Or do you? You don't. So let's go. Point number 1. People who always push a narrative. I cannot even begin to tell you how many times I come across such people or how many times the same kind of person comes and keeps repeating the same thing over and over again, that they only have one agenda, that is to push their narrative of how they think things should be and how they think what they believe is the most correct of all. They do not give the space to other people for other things. Every action that they do, उनकी हर चीज़ में सिर्फ एक मैसेज होता है, that is what they want to promote, and I get it. You all have narratives, we all have narratives, but always constantly carrying that with you, it just makes you inhuman. And yeah, you're just a carrier of that message. You don't have an identity to yourself. It is so repelling. You don't form friendships with those kind of people. They are propagandists. Point number 2, and it is kind of connected with the previous one, that is being too attached to any subject that you lose humanness in your interactions. Yes, it is the same kind of people but to an elevated extent. That is, वो तुमसे जब मिलेंगे, the only thing they will be talking about is that subject so much कि वो आपकी humanness को भी नहीं देखेंगे, तुम्हारे differences तक को भी appreciate नहीं करेंगे. If you are different from their opinions, they will start fighting with you. It's just stupid. Yes. Point number 3, and personally my most hated and irritating pet peeve, that is transferring your all mostly negative emotions on the wrong people. तुम्हें गुस्सा किसी और व्यक्ति की वजह से आया और तुम उस इंसान पर वो निकाल रहे हो अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन जिसका कुछ रोल ही नहीं था उसमें. पहली बात तो ये, you are two kinds. Firstly, you are a big time coward. You are not addressing the problem at hand with the person in their face. You are not confronting them. And secondly, you are abusing somebody else जो कि completely innocent है. You are abusing the other person by transferring your rage, vengeance, all of the angry emotions. Point number 4 is being unfair and not equitable. Be fair. Don't hold double standards for different kinds of people. I mean, obviously I said that too superficially, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean to say, okay, I said that. But yeah, be fair. आप अपनी बातों में, अपने interactions में लोगों को fair treat करो. Don't expect them what you can't, and don't expect them what you can't expect the other person standing next to them. Point number 5 is giving cheap attention versus having real interest. This is by far my favorite, and also this is a very terrible thing if you do that. You know those kind of guys in your DMs who are like, hey sunshine, would you like to go out with me? And then they're messaging the same thing to 10 other girls who they don't even know, probably are boys. Yeah, that is cheap attention. Versus having real interest is when you truly have that curiosity, that innate inquisitivity to know about the other person, to know about their background, to know about anything that they are willing to tell us. That is real curiosity, not just limited to that. It's like तुम सिर्फ किसी से जाकर के उनकी information निकलवा रहे हो and then you don't care about them. You're just going around forming friendships with everybody by splitting up your attention. You're not making friends. You're just building up haters because you're just stealing information from people. Apparently, cheap attention is just buying out people with a very minimal investment. It's like you're just giving bits of attention, breadcrumbing the other person, expecting a good, probably relationship to form. Like not a relationship, but yeah, like an equation with the other person. Doesn't happen. Point number 6 is not valuing people's preferences, their choices, their likes, their dislikes. It is so inconsiderate. Always value other people's likes and dislikes, and if they do not match up or align with you, find the middle ground instead of trying to just imposing yourself on them. Now point number 7 is so special to me कि मैंने इसको word किया है line by line, and I would like to recite it by reading it out loud. Here it goes. Always being a messenger of all negativity and hatred. Reality is a coin. It has both positive and negative. It is good to take care and work for improving the negative, But those who do not do or can't do anything have only one job, that is to talk and spread fear in others. Raising awareness and being ready to face adversity is different from simply propagating hate towards a community or a group. It is so self-explanatory. In fact, especially it happens in the political domains. We are so attached to our own opinions of how we think things should function and work. And the only thing a person is doing instead of taking action is spreading hate in others. Like ठीक है यार, थोड़ी बहुत नेगेटिविटी सब डिस्कस करते हैं. We cannot have a completely white picture of everything. लेकिन you know, people who belittle the positives in life just to exaggerate the negatives. I'm talking about those kind. These people are messengers of all the ugly things in life. इतना ज़्यादा कि we start associating them with this मनुष्यत बनाते. Point number 8 is having double standards. I think I touched this point briefly. Having double standards for yourself and for others, like everything that you do is backed by reason, but for others it's just stereotypical bias. Point number 9, believing you are above others. It is nothing but a sign of your glimmering insecurity. You are not above others, you are not superior than others. Point number 10 is being inauthentic. It is like showing that you are honey, and then as time passes by and you entrap other people in your behavior, that is when you show your real colors, that you are a maggot. That is just simply deceiving the other people, and also you are abusing their sense of sight because they saw something else in you. You entrapped them and now you are showing what you are. Point number 11 is not letting people be. I mean, comfort and ease over anything. There is no love that is good if it is not comfortable. It's ease that we look for. It is ease of our expression. अगर हम किसी के साथ में अपने जैसे रह सकते हैं, जैसे हम खुद के साथ हैं, जैसे हम खुद अंदर से हैं, then there is nothing that actually troubles us. हमें किसी के डिफरेंसेस से इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा if they allow us to be. Number 12, and not this might be not so much about not repelling, but this is so much about a personality that is not being able to keep your word. You know, those people who just keep giving out words and devalue themselves. Yes, that. Words से हम अपनी खुद की वैल्यू सेट करते हैं. Words do not have their own value. It is only decided by the person who is giving them. So start having value of those words. Point 13 and last one is being too outcome oriented and not being process oriented at all. Those people who waste lives and also expect you to do the same. They think that being busy is the best marker of success or indicator of success. Yes, that I'm talking about. It just steals away all the joy. It steals away all the pleasure. Last but not the least, one bonus tip, क्योंकि मुझे commerce पसंद है. And you know what is another one bonus one? People who form close connections or try to form close connections with everybody, literally. I mean, yikes. That is also really bad because that is also a very clear sign of gnawing insecurity. Yes. I think that's it for today. This is by far the most different kind of video that I have formed. Because इसमें मैं पूरी preacher लगी हूँ. इनमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें I'm sure मैं खुद भी करती हूँ. And it's good reminder for myself as well, and I hope that it can serve some kind of reference point of thought for you. If you like this video, then let me know. And you know what, this wall is new. This was not like this. If you doubt me, check my previous videos. Anyway, till then, take care, bye bye. I come up with new videos every 3 days. I guess that's my thing. So see you again very soon. Bye.